Hello, I'm here to show you how to use the Calmotion Fadal USB. This is the external unit I'm showing here, which is real easy to install. Basically power it up and plug it into the Fadal's RS-232 port. That's basically all you need to do. We also have this as a panel mount version where it wouldn't set on top of the pendant, but it would have a panel mount USB plug that you could put on the side of the pendant and plug the USB disk right into the machine. It's a cleaner installation, so it comes as either external or panel mount, and it basically both of them are pretty easy to install. So let me show you how this unit works. Very easy. Most of the commands for our unit is based on using a plus key, and I'm going to show you how that works. Type CD, 10 basically to talk to the device. If you just push the plus key, it's going to show the commands that are available for our device. Directory, load files, punch different data to the USB disk, or you can run off the disk using the DNC command. So, an example to show the directory that's on this USB disk, I type the CD, 10 command, dir plus. It's now going to show the files that are on that USB disk. So whatever you copy from your computer, you now can access at your Fadal right from the Internet's command screen. So let's say I wanted to load this file here called O6001.nc. The name of the file can be anything. It could be test.txt. It could be whatever you want. Basically it needs to be an 8.3 format, 8 characters for the main part and 3 for the extension is suggested. So let's load something into memory. Do CD, 10, enter, and load the program. Type TA, the file name, as you see it there, O6001.nc, and then plus key. It's now then going to load off the USB disk into the Fadal's memory. So now here's the program I just loaded from the USB disk. Let's say I wanted to save that. I used the program. I wanted to save it back to the USB disk. So I type CD, 10. I then type PU, 2 to send the current program in memory to the USB disk. And then let's just call it something we want to call it like job1.txt as an example. When I push the plus key, it's now going to punch that program that's in memory onto the USB disk. I can show the directory of that disk, and now my job1.txt is on that USB. Let's say I have a program here that maybe is 50 megabytes, 60 megabytes, 2 megabytes that doesn't fit in the Fadal's memory, and it takes too long to load into memory. I can just run it off the USB disk. You can run small programs, large programs, basically any program that doesn't have any subroutines, Fadal style subroutines in it, or line jumps you can run. So basically any large file. CD, 10. Now I want to run this file. I type the DNC command, the file name, O123.nc. When I push the plus key, it's going to come into waiting mode, and then when I push start, it's running basically that program. That's basically how to use our product. It's very easy to use, and I hope you can use it for your job, your shop.